Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, a great weekend, folks. It's the TGIF, and it's a 3-day weekend. Release the need to be right. When you believe something, you assume you're right. You may even destroy relationships in order to defend your position. Let go of the need to defend your position. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. Dow Industrial's down 39, Nasdaq's up 13, S&P's a flat. Gold contract down $5, trading at $12.36 an ounce. Silver down 6 cents at $18 flat. Platinum down $9 at $1,003 an ounce. Copper off a penny at $2.70 a pound. Light sweet crude flat, $53.34 a barrel. Notes, 10-year note up 8 ticks, 124.23. 30-year bond up 17 ticks, 151.12. Now both notes and bonds. Yesterday, folks, notes went higher, needed more volume. Bonds went higher, had the volume. Today they both need more volume. They get the bounce, but they need more volume. King dollar. King dollar up 505 ticks, traded 100.935. The euro is at 106, and the yen is trading at 112.93. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at it. What do you have? We got option expiration, folks. You get another hour coming into the close. You can expect that we're going to have some volume right at the close coming in on option expiration. So the real kick is going to be where is the S&Ps and where is the Dow Industrials. Right now, you get the SPY trading sideways. We're at 234. The high out here is 235.15. So bottom line is that we'll see if, in fact, it's going to claw its way up into these highs once again. Dow Industrials, what do you have with the Dow? The Dow right now is down $34. It's down $40 right now. And the crucial thing out here today goes like this. The volume is going to come in at the close. So if we stay where we are right now, that'll be very subtle, but guess what? That'll be a lower price having volume. You push up a little bit higher inside the Dow. If we can push into the just 620 mark, which is only 30 points, that'll be saying you're pushing those highs and you're pushing those highs on volume. Composite, the NASDAQ composite, the composite out here is trading at the highs. So we're going to have divergence. That's the way this is setting up right now, okay? We're up $12. You're at 58.27. What the divergence would be is that I expect the NASDAQ volume will also come in. So if the NASDAQ stays where we're at, guess what? That's pushing highs with volume. If the Dow stays and the S&P stay where we're at, that'll be saying that you're coming downtown with volume. Gold contract. What do we have with the gold contract? Gold contract's down $5 right now, 480. You've done 154,000 contracts. Bottom line, that's building cause to get, well, it's a confirmed ABC structure on the way up. Going up into the 1289 area. I expect we're going to get the 1315 out of this. She's hanging right at the highs. The swing high that we're talking about, and this is really, this is absolutely wild how this is shaking out. So picture, Fridays in the metal market are always dangerous. Bottom line is the gold market has held. That also being said, this is how this shakes out. The high that it's going after is 1246.60, and we hit 1245.10. If you're a bull, that's exactly what you like to see out here. Why? Because you have volume out here of 154,000. We want to see that come in there with like 150. We want to see that come in there with 175,000, 200,000 contracts, and I expect that's exactly what we're going to get. Silver, same type of setup. We take a look at the silver market. What we have with silver is this. Excuse me, folks. Silver's trading at $18.10. That is hanging right at the highs. You've done 50,000 contracts out here today. You're hanging right under the, well, silver actually got over the little consolidation it was in last week. Silver is $18. That is looking to get into the $19.12 level. Note, 10-year note. What do we have with the 10-year note? 10-year note right now, it has the price. You're up 9 cents. You have 101,000 contracts, and I want to see a lot more contract volume than that. That's light volume for the 10-year. What you have with the 10-year is this. We want to see volume to get up about 1.5, 1.6 million contracts. I expect we're going to get it. We're going to get the test of it at least. We're at 124.23. The low of the last swing high is 124.31. The high out here is 125.18. We go take a look at the 30-year. What you have with the 30-year, it's the same type of setup. The difference being is that the 30-year did get volume yesterday. The volume out here today definitely has to pick up, and I don't expect it's going to pick up as we get into the close. You're up 18 ticks. You've done 171,000 contracts. Yesterday we banged out 271. That's what it should be banging out in order to get up into and over this swing high from the 8th of February. So the low of that 8th is 152.02. The high is 153.21. King dollar. What do we have with King dollar? King dollar's up 500 ticks. King dollar's up with anemic volume. Bottom line, King dollar wants lower price. When you get bounces, this is what you want to look for if you think that the good old King dollar was going south, which I think is going south. It's a confirmed ABC structure on the way down. We went downtown yesterday with 41,000 shares, contracts rather. You're up today with 26,000. You have a high volume swing low at 40,000. When it did the counter trend bounce from the 8th of February through Wednesday, bottom line, you were going to 61,000 contracts. So the supply line is pretty incredible inside King dollar. It's a confirmed ABC structure on the way down. Your price projection on King dollar is 96.925. So the kicker is going to be here. How does the market close? Is the market going to close, bottom line, in the green? NASDAQ wants to close in the green. You can see that NASDAQ all day long has been going sideways to slightly up into the green. Dow Industrials is getting some juice here. You know, bottom line is that the low of the Dow today was 20,532, and you're at 20,583 right now. This is Tom O'Brien. This is TFNN. You stay right there, folks. We'll be coming right back. Dow Industrials right now are down 36. NASDAQ is flat. NASDAQ is up 14. S&P's are flat. Gold's down 490. Silver's down 6 cents. We're going to be right back, folks.